Hello beautiful and welcome to makeup. Today's look is going to be saucy. Today's look is going to break all the rules. Today's look is going to be delicious. Today's look is going to be so stunning, you could die. Today I'll be attempting something that's never been done before. We will be doing a smoky, glam look with a bold red lip. So let's dive into it. First, we must prepare our face and prime this baby cake so that all the colors really pop. She's feeling smooth, she's feeling plump, she's feeling ready. To do our base, I will be using my foundation and Sin Stick in the palest shade because the sun is not worthy to gaze upon my beauty. I'll be using this palette today to make this daring new look a reality. And I know what some of you must be thinking, that this palette is just so old, so used. How could such a delicate rose like myself put such a disgrace on my face? But ever since my whole family was murdered by my father's secret evil twin in a hot air balloon accident, I haven't had the courage to face the world and online shop. And I know that soon I'll move on with my life and make my family proud. But this is why I'm an artist. I don't just do makeup. I make art. For these are my brushes. These are my paints. And this is my canvas. Every brush stroke tells a story. Every color tells a story. This color represents my one true love that broke my heart. This color represents one of my other true loves whose heart I had to break. It was just so devastating. And this brush stroke represents the perfect harmony between myself and my other one true love. And this shimmer represents the bodies that they've never found. This highlight simply takes my breath away. With a steady hand, I will be drawing 2 even wings on both of my eyes. Curse you, Left Eye. Why can you not be like your sister?
Because she's always hated me. I have not.
Do you think I'm stupid? It's so obvious.
It's not my fault that I'm better. See, that's my issue. You think that you're better than me when you're not. You're just as lazy as I am.
How dare you? You know what? I'm not even sorry. I've been sleeping with your eyelash.
Hey, don't bring me into this.
How dare you? I can't even look at you anymore.
Guys, you need to stop fighting. Otherwise, this never been seen before makeup look will never become a reality. Right Eye, you need to apologize to Left Eye for the sake of the look.
Left Eye, I'm sorry. This look is going to be stunning because you can get this wing right. I believe in you. Really? Really?
I love a happy ending. Ouch! How dare you poison me! To the bin you go. The eye look is really starting to come together. Now we just need some extra boldness. With these eye feathers, my eyes will be complete, and anyone that looks into my eyes will be under my spell. The eyes are complete. Now it is time to carve the shapes back into our face. For I am like the Mona Lisa. There must be contrast in my face to really enhance my beauty. Add some blush to make every man melt at my feet, darling. a touch of highlight so that my makeup shines just like all of my other talents. Now for the lips. We want seductive. We want bold. We want red. That is it. She's daring. She's bold. She's revolutionary. No one has dared done this makeup before because they just aren't on our level. Thank you for watching this video. I know that you enjoyed it. But now we must say goodbye. I promised myself I wouldn't cry. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Hello, beautiful, and welcome to my makeup insanity. This is probably one of the stupidest videos I have ever made, and I'm so unbelievably proud of myself, and I'm sorry that I had to take you on this journey with me. So after binge watching all of Drag Race UK season 2 thus far, because there's still like the finale episode to go, after watching all of it, I just absolutely loved the soap opera episode. So I was like, you know what, screw it, I want to be a part of this, so I'm gonna do it on my channel. So that is how we got to here. So if you didn't like it, blame RuPaul. Blame the BBC, because it's not my fault. They inspired me. There was like pathways, and somehow I got to here and I got to this video. So I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you didn't, blame them. If you did, blame me. It's all me to blame if you liked it. If you didn't blame it, it's not my fault. It's someone else's fault. Please like me. I also thought this idea was perfect because I've been doing a lot more serious videos recently, which like is very out of character for me, but also kind of within character for me. She's complex, but because I've been doing so many serious videos, I kind of wanted to break it up and have just a cute little fun moment. Even though I love my water cooler conversation makeup kind of videos, I still want to have some fun every now and then. And I thought that this was a perfect opportunity, and I just hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, because this has been an absolute ride. I also want to thank my lovely roommate Matt, who's sitting over there and working like an absolute busy bee. Say it again.
Hey.
There he is, because he actually helped me like film a lot of this today, so I'm very appreciative of him, because if he wasn't here, I don't think I would have been able to keep my sanity, and I don't think I would have gotten everything filmed on time. So yay, Matthew. Woo!
Yay, Matthew.
He feels uncomfortable because I'm giving him compliments. But I hope that you are all just having a fantastic day, a fantastic week, a fantastic month, a fantastic year, and I hope that you are doing as fantastic as always. Bye, everyone. Whoop. Ow. Ooh, I caught my finger on my ring on the lens. Well, that's very unkind. Today's look is going to be so stunning, you could die.
Is that what you wanted?
Ouch! How dare you poison me! To the bin you go! Well, I hope I didn't break that. I actually lost the eye feather. Oh no.
Lost it.
Oh no. I really liked that pair of eye feathers. Alright, now I've just got to get a different pair. Oh, I found it! Landed on my desk.
Oh, yeah?
Well, that was easy. I think I got the Kim K like crying down pat though. I haven't had the courage to face the world and online shop. God, this is so stupid. That's so
It
dumb.
looks like you're about to cry too because you're.
Because my eyes hurt.
I would say don't do that again.
Um,
Sounded good to me in the timing.
Perfect. You're amazing. I love you. Thank you. Wait, Matthew, come on camera for a second.
Why? I look so awful.
Oh, you do. Never mind. No, I mean.
Oh,
Oh, no. That didn't go out good.
Okay.
No.
I'll
No,
leave.
I know. I mean